always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. I spy shapes everywhere. Circles, triangles, ovals, squares, stars, rectangles, so many kinds. See how many we can find.
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. You're just in time. I was about to check the mail. I'm expecting a letter from Ms. Panda. Let's check the mail together. Are you coming? Look, there's a letter in our mailbox. It's addressed to Mr. Goose, the Treehouse, Animal Island. That means it's for me. Could it be from Ms. Panda? It is from Ms. Panda. I'll open it. There is a letter and some pictures inside. I'll read the letter out loud.
Hello, everyone. I'm visiting my friend. Everywhere I go, I see shapes. I've sent you some photos.
Ooh, let's look.
What shape do you see in the first picture?
Do you see it?
Oval.
Well done.
What shape do you see in the second picture?
Oh, I think I see it.
Oval.
Fantastic.
What shape do you see in the last picture?
What shape do you see?
Oval.
Yes.
Can you find shapes on Animal Island? Love, Ms. Panda.
That's a great idea. We'll make oval our special shape of the day. Let's look for ovals on Animal Island.
Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Squares. Stars. Rectangles. Hey, I have an idea. Look!
Hello, everyone.
Let's look for ovals. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is! We did it! Yay! See you! I know a game we can play. Let's try to find 3 things shaped like ovals. Like this. I see one. That's right. Let's look for another one. Do you see one? Awesome! Let's look for one more. Hi, Monkey. Want to look for ovals together? Let's head to Mr. Frog's pond. Okay! Look for 3 things shaped like ovals. That's right. Let's look for another one. Do you see one? Awesome! Let's look for one more. Thanks for playing. Goodbye.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Where is Lulu? When it's time to go to the library, Lulu tries to hide. I wonder why. Let's read and find out. Let's begin. Where is Lulu? Written by Mahale Mashigo, illustrated by Clyde Beach, designed by Nkosingafield Mazibuko. Lulu, it's time to go, calls Ma. Oh, no. Where is Lulu? Is she under the sofa? Is she behind the curtain?
She's under the lamp!
Where is Lulu? Is she next to the stove? Is she in the cupboard?
She's on the shelf!
Lulu, it's time to go. Where are you? Calls Ma.
She's under the bed!
There you are. I don't want to go. We have to go, says Ma. But I really like this one. I really like this one too. And this one, and this one, and this one. See, when you return books, you can borrow more. Yay! Where is Lulu now?
Holding her books!
That's right. And that's the end of the story.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called London Bridge. And look what I have in my backpack, a ukulele. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Let's do the monkey dance. Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 8. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 8 times. Clap 8 times. Nod 8 times. Point 8 times. March 8 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Look what I see! A wiggle bug! Let's watch it bounce. Let's pretend to be wiggle bugs too. A boing a boing a boing a boing. Boing a boing a Hello, little wiggle bug. I think it's asleep. Bye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way I and put